Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today I have a very quick, short haul for you guys, and I wanted to show you some of the new workout sets I've recently purchased. I got workout sets from 2 different companies. It's kind of become my new obsession, and my friends have been informed that if I say I'm gonna buy more workout clothes, they are to drive to my house and slap me. So yeah, so I have 5 sets here. I purchased 7. I'm sending 2 back. I'll talk about that when we get there, but let's get started. So the first 3 sets are from Bold Body, and they recently released a solids collection. They have really cute prints. I have, I think, 2 sets from them. One's like a kind of like a zebra stripe sort of looking set, except like rainbowy colorful, and the other one is like an animal print, and I love both of them. They're super comfortable. They come up really high, and it's stretchy and compressing without being like limiting. You can still move around, you can still breathe. So I have 3 sets to share with you guys, and they are all the exact same cut. The first is the Candy Apple Red. Look at that color. Is that not beautiful? Like, the camera can't even pick it up accurately. It's coming off neon on camera. It is just a really beautiful red. And now I personally think it leans a pinch more coral than what I would consider a candy apple red if we're thinking like lipstick wise, but it's still a really pretty color. So that is the bra, and you can see it on the back. It just has their logo, the BB for Bold Body, and the legging, which is just a standard legging. These are a tiny bit long on me, but not in a way that makes it restricting or difficult to move around. And it's stretchy, so it's not even that big of a deal. So there's the legging. And then the next color, oh, I folded that really poorly. Let's try that one more time. There we go. And then the next color from the same line is this beautiful pink. This reminds me of like a certain lipstick. Maybe it's like Pink Nouveau from MAC or something. It is just the best, cute, perfect bubblegummy pink. It's so pretty. And once again, the logo on the back of the bra. And the legging. This is such a pretty color. I love this color. And then the last one is what they call Periwinkle. To me, Periwinkle is much lighter than this. They call this their Periwinkle Blue. There's my hair on it. Put them in the trash can. To me, I don't think Periwinkle is this color, but it is just a really blue, a purple leaning blue. And it's a little darker than I would consider Periwinkle. Okay, but that's semantics, whatever. But it's really pretty. And I don't know if it's gonna show up as purple as it actually is on camera. Maybe you can sort of see. I'm not sure, but it is a beautiful color. And so there were 4 colors in this release. I did actually purchase all 4 of them. But the Serenity color, which was more what I personally consider like a periwinkle, kind of like a lavenderish periwinkle type of color. I will link everything down below so you can see the colors, but yeah, that just made me look super sallow. I don't know if it comes across on camera because you don't really see much of my body, but I am very yellow undertoned, and it made me look very sort of jaundiced. So it was not the best color for me personally, but it is a gorgeous color, so I highly recommend checking that out, especially if you've got a nice tan or you're super dark skinned. I think it would look beautiful on you. And then the next 2 sets that I purchased are from Girlfriend, one of their recent releases. I did look online. Almost all of these are sold out. I think one of the colors is available in like XX small and then 6XL. So just a warning. Unfortunately, Girlfriend flies off the shelves. I'm not sure why they don't stock more. I guess it's just their manufacturing process is longer and more labored, but yeah, that's a big preface. So the first one is the Lapis color. Got the Paloma bra. which is just like your standard sort of sports bra. It is a little longer than maybe a regular sports bra. Comes down onto the ribs a little. Really nice. And this is a totally different color than this, although they probably look super similar on camera. They're very different colors. And then I got the high-waisted compression legging in the 23 and something inches length, which is perfect if you are a shorty like me. For me, this is actually a full-length legging. I think it's supposed to be, on most people, like a cropped legging. I'm 5 feet tall. It is a full-length legging. So if you're like 5'4" or shorter, I would highly recommend it because it's probably going to go mostly all the way down to your ankle. But yeah, love these so much. And then the other color I got was chartreuse, which is probably one of my favorite colors of all time. Sorry if you can hear Franny meowing outside the door, but I'm not letting her in. And I also got that in the same length, but a different legging. So I got this legging. It is still a high-waisted compression legging, but it has pockets. I have not tried, my hand got stuck. I have not tried these from them before, so I was excited to try something new. And I love them. I think that they're really nice. And they'd fit just as nice as the standard high-rise compression legging. And this color, oh, I just love this color so much. All of my favorite colors are colors that look like they would taste really good, and to me this looks like a sour apple candy, and I just love. And I also got a different bra in this color. I think this is called the Topanga bra. Does it say anywhere on here? No, it doesn't say on the label, but I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. And so here's the front, and the back is where it's super different. You've got these adjustable straps, which I'm gonna have to make mine just a smidge smaller, and then this waistband. So obviously it's not as support heavy as the Paloma bra, because that one is like, it sucks you in. So I mean, if you're doing a low intensity workout, like just walking on the treadmill, or maybe some yoga, or just even a meditation, this would be nice for that. I do have to say, if you are a larger breasted lady, maybe don't go for this one, because I found my boobs kind of spilling out the side a little. Now when I pulled it up some, that didn't seem to happen anymore, so I'm just going to adjust the straps. But if you are very large busted, I could see how this maybe would be problematic. You know, it's only a problem if you don't want your boobies falling out. If you don't care, not a problem. And that is everything I have to share with you guys. Oh no, I did want to mention, I had the Paloma bra and the high-rise leggings in another color. I want to say it was called like Saddle or something like that. It was a really muted mauve kind of pinky tone color, and it just didn't look very good against my skin. It was a little muddier in person than I was expecting. Muddier meaning just like brown infused into the color, not like that it was a terrible gross color. And brown things tend to not look great on my skin unless it's like coming from a yellow base or an orange base. Things that are like coming from a red base just don't tend to look so great on me. So I am sending that one back because the colors just weren't for me. But that is all I have to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. And I would love to know down below, if you don't mind sharing with me, what your favorite workout sets are. Always interested in trying something new, even though I really don't need to, but you know, whatever. And I'll talk to you all later. Bye!